Zeal Environmental was started to service the mining industry in 1977. Ashanti Goldfields was the main contractor, and Zeal Environmental was contracted as a services company for fabric maintenance.
With the emergence of Ghana's offshore oil and gas exploration and production in 2007, Zeal Environmental Technologies has become an indigenous reliable waste management services provider for the petroleum industry.
Our contribution to the oil and gas industry at this point has basically been environmental services. Our environmental services starts from what happens to the byproducts of the drilling operation and the production side, which is basically wastewater, the drilling muds, the drilling cuttings, and then the hazardous solid waste. Zeal comes in to help alleviate the burden by incineration, which is basically a thermal process where we basically burn it. And we also make sure that nothing goes out into the environment when we incinerate. We are able to process at least 1,000 kg per hour with our new incinerator, which has a scrubber. What is a scrubbing system? The scrubbing system basically makes sure that whatever that you incinerate, nothing comes out of your emissions. So it's zero emission. In regards to wastewater, we have a wastewater section that is able to treat at least 105 gallons per minute of wastewater. Is to basically make sure that the water is in a state where it can be returned into the environment without any pollutants, oil, chemicals, you name it. We are able to treat it to make sure that we are adhering to EPA standards. We are also serving other industries, refineries. We do tank cleanings as well. Onshore tank cleaning, offshore tank cleaning, tank farms, vessel tank cleaning. We do FPSO tank cleaning. We're able to go to depths of 120 feet into a tank, no oxygen, explosion environment, benzene laden. We've had zero incidents since we started doing tank cleaning.
As a reliable waste manager, Zeal is transparent with its processes to the client.
We have a waste tracking system. We have scanners that scans every waste skip that comes into the plant. We know the location of that skip or the truck that brings it in. And whenever that waste is moved from one section to the other, we tell our client exactly where the waste has been moved in the facility. And then a schedule, which we send it back to our client and say, this is when your waste was treated or how it's going to be managed. And then we also present a certificate of destruction for the client so that they know what happened to the waste.
Zeal's renowned waste management services have opened it up to a wider market.
We just do not concentrate on Ghana. As a matter of fact, if we were to say we were just concentrating on Ghana, our plant would have been designed even smaller than it is. We have serviced Mauritania, Cote d'Ivoire, we have serviced Benin, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and basically it is not us who even goes out there to service. The companies that know us, or the companies that were in Ghana, Tallow, Chevron, Cosmos, even Lukoil, Russia, and then Total, all of them know that Zeal is known for good, reliable service.
But what has kept Zeal relevant all these years?
One thing that has kept us, if I may say, going and also staying relevant is innovation. Innovation and also credibility. Here's a local company, we know how to do this, we can do it, and we've been able to do it. By employing local workers, there isn't a single foreign worker at Zeal. All our engineers are local.
With the already compelling successes as an indigenous waste management firm, where does Zeal see itself in the near future?
I see Zeal Environmental in the next 5 to 10 years being a premium environmental services company with more innovation and also coming up with zero discharge processes. Our focus is on technologies and also offering solutions that will be enhancing to our environment. That is why we are always upgrading our incinerators and then our wastewater systems so that we're able to even go ahead of the problem and not stay within the problem.